This is how you do velocity text. Just type any text you or your mom wants. Take a nice font like this one. Add some gray shadow to add a glowing effect to the text. Copy the text layer by Alt plus drag and make the other text layers by editing them. Now go to the first layer and make a zoom out, zoom in thing by making the size value 150% at the beginning, then 100% at the middle, and again 150% at the end. Smooth it out by using curve graph. You can copy my graph if you don't know much about it. Now save it as a preset and select Scale in Type. Just give it any good name like Alex. Now apply it on every text layer. Here comes the sponsor, Ajuice, who make plugins, not juice. Ajuice is having a 99% discount on their I Want It All bundle, where you can get transitions like these and much more. They also have a free pack for people like me. You can use my coupon code 7MAY on their product to get in 10% off. The link is in the description. Now take blur and do the same thing we did with the size, 0 blur in the middle and a little blur at the ends. Make it into a preset as well and name it Josh. Then apply on every text layer. Now nest them and now you can change the speed of the text. Well then, thanks for watching and touch some grass.